Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the Econobox Garage for episode 137 in our Bugeye build. The main goal for this episode is to get the plexiglass panels made for the side curtains. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoy this week's video. So the next thing on the list is to replicate the pieces of plexi that go inside the frame. So what I've done is I picked up, and let's flip that over, a 2-pack of 18 by 24 acrylic sheet. It's the same thickness as what came out of the frames. So I'm just going to get one of those out now and lay them out and then cut them out. I have the pieces marked out. But I just realized I don't have the correct jigsaw blades to do this, so I'm going to go pick those up and then I'll come back and get these cut out. My local store didn't have specific blades for plexiglass, so I just picked up the ones that are for laminate, and so they're fairly fine tooth. I think it's 14 teeth per inch. I did a bit of a trial cut right here, and it does give me a nice smooth edge. So I am going to cut out my patterns now. I'll probably try and rig up a straight edge to make sure I get a nice straight edge when I'm cutting, and I'm just using a jigsaw. I'll put some masking tape on the bottom just to protect it, even though there's paper protecting each of the panels. Right, you can see I have my masking tape on the base of the jigsaw, and I've measured from the side of the blade to the side of the platform here that it's 1.5 inches. This is the mark I made tracing the shape, and I've measured 1.5 inches back from there, and I clamped this piece of trim on here, and there's just another little piece of wood underneath so I don't mar the plexiglass, and the same underneath on here. And that gives me a nice clean straight cut. So I'll do the same on the other two sides for this piece, and then I'll do the other one. I do have to round these corners off a little, or at least this corner here, and I'm pretty sure I'll have to round this one off as well. But I'll get this set up to do the next cut. And I'm just going to double check which line. I've got 2 lines marked here, so I'm just going to double check. Actually, I'm getting too many lines there. I think I'm just going to flip this over. Flip this over and give myself a new line. Here's my piece of plexi that I've cut to size. I'm just going to peel back the protective paper around the 3 edges here, and so I can get the plastic into place, slide it into the slots, and fix it into place. That way I can just leave this other stuff, middle part of it protected. On second thoughts, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the sliding panel because it goes in to this slot here, so that'll be easier to get that one into position before I put the fixed one in, and then I'll be able to put the felt in there. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do for next, is cut the sliding panel, and then we'll get to putting things together. Well, here I have the new panels cut out. I haven't taken off the protective paper yet, but I'll do that once I get it installed in the frame. So before I can install the new panels in the frame, I have to put in the felt track for the sliding unit, and that goes into the wider track down here. So once I have the felt in place, I'll put the panels in, and then I'll work on the weather stripping. Well, that's all I have time for this week. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to share it with your friends. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget that little bell icon. Click on that and you'll get notified when the next videos come out. And in that next video, we'll be assembling all the bits and pieces of that side screen and getting it ready to put on the car. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who supported the channel by commenting, subscribing, purchasing merchandise, and even hitting that super thanks button. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you'd like to get a hold of me directly, you can do so at the email address I'll put at the bottom of the screen, and that will also be in the description below. My name is Ian. This is the Econobox Garage. We'll see you next time.